Okay, I have got a Whirlpool Cabrio Platinum washer. It's about 3 years old. Top of the line for the series. It's in excellent, like new condition. It does have one tiny little ding right here from moving it. That is practically the only flaw on this machine. And I'm going to go ahead and run a full load, mostly jeans, couple towels in there. It's very easy to use. You just set it on what you want to set it on. I do normal, high spin speed, and warm, no fabric softener. Just hit start. And essentially it'll run through the whole cycle, and I'm going to let you listen to it agitate, let you listen to it spin in that really fast spin cycle. That way you know that it does in fact work. I always like to know that when I spend my money on anything. So I won't be able to open because it does lid lock, which is great for safety, especially with how fast these spin, but you'll at least be able to listen to it. So I'm going to let it run through its cycle, and we'll come back for the agitate and for the spin. Alright, and it is agitating right now. It's nice and quiet. It's one of the really cool things about these high efficiency washers. So they're nice and quiet, and they get your clothes really clean. So that's really what it sounds like when it agitates, and then it goes through a cycle of rinsing, filling up, draining, and it takes right about an hour. So we will come back for the spin cycle. It's launching into the rinse cycle and draining out all the water right now. It comes up through that hose there. Okay, we're on the final spin. It's in a high speed spin. It's got about 5 minutes left to go. It's actually spinning extremely fast, so much so that when it's done, those clothes are very light. They take no time at all to dry. But you see, it's nice, smooth operation. Sounds great. The important things to check for, would be like off balance or any weird squeals or sounding like a freight train on these guys. This one sounds great. And it also cycles that pump on and off in the last 5 minutes as it spins the additional water out. So there you have it. I'm going to let this finish up, and appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Okay, I have got a Kenmore electric dryer. It's in excellent condition. A couple little spots we're going to do a little bit of touch up on, but I wanted to show you that it runs perfect. Runs absolutely great. Sounds good. It's not off balance or making any weird noises or anything like that. Then I'm going to show you that it is heating as well. So we'll get on the inside here. Got a nice full load going. Plenty of heat coming out of that heating element tube. Should in turn heats up the inside of the dryer and gets those clothes dry. So it is heating. Lights on. Let's hit that start button. It's got the time dry. It's also got the auto dry. That works great as well. So we're going to throw just a little bit of touch up on this and get it listed. If you have any questions on it, please let us know.